going to be changing the David Brown's engine oil to make it nice and clean. You know what they say, the cleaner the better, bro. First, we got to start the tractor. Wow, amazing! Power of amazingness. This is the beast. First, we have to drive the tractor up onto the driveway before we start anything. Now you have to start emptying the oil tank so you can put the new oil in. Q-Dog, slurp, 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 slurp. Once the new oil filter is in, you can start pouring in the new oil. Gulp, 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 gulp. Once you are done putting in the new oil, you can close the cap and start the engine up and let it run for like 30 seconds. Subscribe or I will tell your mom.